Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillah-r-Rahman-r-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. This is Pakistan International Taif. Welcome to all of you in Pakistan International School Taif. This is social study class for grade 3. And today we are going to start our video number 21. And inshallah, we will read page number 50, 51 and 52. So dear students, open social study book page 50. On page number 50, you have lesson number 14. The name of the lesson is festivals. Dear students, festival means a day or a period of celebration, especially for religious reasons. So in this lesson, we shall read this lesson, an explanation, and we will learn about different festivals in the world which are celebrated and why are they celebrated. So let's start our reading. A festival celebrates a special event that took place in the past. Okay, this is the definition of festival. A festival celebrates a special event that took place in the past. During the year, we celebrate many different festivals. Some festivals are connected to religion. You know that most Pakistanis are Muslim. People follow other religions too. In Pakistan, most people are Muslim and there are other religions too. The followers of every religion celebrate special days. These special days are called religious festivals. Okay. So here you can see that Islamic festival. These are Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Eid al-Milad al-Nabi. They are celebrated by Muslims. And other religions like Christians, Hindus, Zoroastrians also celebrate their festival. So here are some religious festivals celebrated in Pakistan. First of all, these are Islamic. In Islamic, there are many festivals. For example, Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Eid Milad al-Nabi. And in Christians, there is Christmas, Easter, Saints' Days. And in Hindu celebrate Diwali, Dussehra, Holi. And in Zoroastrians, they celebrate Jamshedi Naroz, Shahin-Shahi Naroz. This is Shahin-Shahi Naroz. And last one is Khordad Sal. What is this? Khordad Sal mean birthday of the Lord Zoroaster. Now we will learn about these festival one by one. So first of all is Eid al-Fitr. Muslims fast during the month of Ramadan. When the holy month of Ramadan is over, then Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Shawwal. Okay, dear students, Muslims celebrate Eid al-Fitr on the first day of Shawwal. At that day, they pray at an Eidgah. They pray at an Eidgah. Here you can see that Muslims are praying in Eidgah. In that day, they wear new clothes, greet each other, and have a feast. On the day of Eid, they wear new clothes, greet each other, and have a feast. They also eat a lot of sweets. Children get Eid gifts, usually money and many treats. Okay. Next one is Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Adha is celebrated on the 10th day of Zilhajj. Okay, dear students. Eid al-Adha is celebrated on the 10th day of Zilhajj to celebrate the sacrifice of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. And this is the time of the Hajj pilgrimage to Makkah. And during Eid al-Adha, Hajj is performed in Makkah. During Eid al-Adha, Muslims celebrate animals, Muslims sacrifice animals. Next one is Eid Miladun Nabi. Eid Miladun Nabi is a day of great importance for Muslims because it is the birthday of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is celebrated on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal. Okay, dear students, Eid Miladun Nabi is a day of great importance for Muslims. It is birthday of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. It is celebrated on the 12th of Rabiul Awwal. Besides these festivals, in Pakistan, we celebrate other special days too. These days are celebrated all over the country. They are known as national festivals. Okay, dear students. For example, March 23rd is Pakistan Day. When is Pakistan Day? 23rd March is Pakistan Day. On this day, in 1940, Muslim leaders decided to form a new and separate country called Pakistan. Okay, dear students. When is the Pakistan Day? 23rd March is the Pakistan Day. Okay. Then 1st May is Labor Day. 1st May is Labor Day. It is celebrated all over the world as a special day for those who work hard during the year. On Labor Day, all working people have a holiday. Dear students, keep in mind that when these festivals are celebrated on that day, there is a holiday. Okay. Next festival is 14 August is our Independence Day. 14 August is Independence Day for Pakistanis. Before 1947, the land we call our country was ruled by British. On 14 August 1947, our country became free of British rule. Okay, that's why 14 August is celebrated as Independence Day for Pakistanis. And 25 December is the birthday of Quaid-e-Azam. Quaid-e-Azam was born on 25 December 1876. So Pakistani celebrate 25 December is the birthday of Quaid-e-Azam. It is also Christmas Day for the Christians who celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay. There are other festivals also. For example, Diwali. Diwali is the Hindu festival of lights. It marks the return of Rama and Sita to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Okay. Holi. Holi is the spring festival of the Hindus. It is a very colorful event as the people shower each other with colored water and powdered dyes. Next one is Dussehra. Dussehra is celebrated to mark the defeat of demon Ravan by Rama. It celebrates the victory of good over evil. Baisakhi. This is Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the festival of the Sikh community. It is celebrated in mid-April each year. Okay. Basant. Basant is a spring festival celebrated in February in the Punjab. Punjab is a province of Pakistan. People wear bright festive clothes and fly kites in the clear and windy spring sky. Okay. Nowruz. Nowruz is a Persian word. Now mean new and Roz mean day. Here you can see that Nowruz means new, no, day, rose. In Persian, it is the traditional Iranian New Year holiday. Okay. It is also celebrated by Zoroastrians, Parsis. Nowruz marks the spring equinox, 21st March. Equinox is celebrated on 21st March. Special dishes are prepared for this day and special prayers are said. Okay, dear students, you have to read this lesson again 2 times. And inshallah in next video, we shall do our exercise. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.